Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to sell slime at your school, and I'll just be teaching you guys some tips and tricks. So just this week I made around $40 selling slime at my school, and the best I did was around like $70, $80 a week. That was the best I did, and normally I just get like around $40. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing is to get permission from your school. Do that before doing anything else because there can be consequences if you don't get permission. And then just check in with your parents to make sure they're okay with you selling with slime. Trust me, don't do anything else before checking in with your parents and your school because that's just probably won't be good if you don't. And then after that, just stock up on a lot of materials. So these are just some of the things I use to make slime, like get a lot of glue and some other things like instant snow, foam beads, and get a lot of containers as well. I use these 3-ounce size containers. They aren't really big, and at this moment I don't sell larger size slimes at this moment, but I might have in the future. So I don't think you should use baggies because they do leak sometimes and it's just not very good. So I normally get new materials every 2 weeks or so. I am running out of containers because I only have 3 containers. Trust me, you'll need a lot more containers than you think you need. Okay, so the next thing I'll be talking about is the packaging. As I said, you should always use containers, and I suggest packaging your slimes in a bag with the person's name on it so you won't mess up your orders. Okay, so make sure to set your slimes at reasonable prices. I priced them, as I said before, I only sell 3-ounce size slimes and I priced them at $1 to $3. I sell most of my slimes at $2, but it depends on how much time and money you use to make the slime. So I sometimes sell my slimes at $3. And I sell slime with shaving cream for only $1 because they do deflate and become smaller. So that's why I sell fluffy slime with shaving cream for only $1 because they deflate. Along with that, remember to write down all your orders on a notebook or something so you can stay organized. You can also type it on your laptop, and it's really important so you don't mess up your orders, and it's really important to stay organized. Later on, you could consider teaming up with some of your trusted friends for this business, but of course that's your choice, and you could just run the business on your own like I do. But okay, it could be a lot easier sometimes to run the business with your friend, but yeah, of course that's just your choice. Okay, so right now I'm going to tell you about the first day of my slime business. So basically I just brought 10 different slimes to school, and that day I got a bunch of orders. So I just wrote it down on a piece of paper, and then I have different slimes listed, different textures and things, and then I let my customers decide on the color. That's how I do it. So that's how I got started, and I've been doing this for 3 months now. Okay, so the next thing I'll be covering is what to do with sticky slime. So in a couple of weeks, your customers' slimes could get sticky and they could start complaining to you. This might sound mean what I'm gonna say, but it's actually not. So just don't tell them that they could use contact lens solution and baking soda or Tide detergent or liquid starch to fix your slime. So you could start selling borax solution, but don't actually tell them it's borax or whatever activator you use. And then that's just a little tip to earn just a bit more money. And the less people that knows how to make slime, the more customers you would get. So if someone asks you how to make slime, don't actually tell them. Just tell them that you could buy some slime from you for a really good price. So that's how you get more customers. And that is also why you should avoid telling people what slime activator is made of. What I'm saying could sound really mean to you, but it really actually isn't. Okay, I already said this, but stay really organized with your business. This just makes your life a lot easier. Write down your orders, and that is it for this video, guys. Hopefully it helped you. Comment down below any video suggestions for the future. Subscribe to me if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos like this, and hit that notification bell because I upload weekly. Also, check out the links I have linked down below in the description to some of my other videos. See you next week. Bye!